Hi, Kimberly. I think this is fantastic, and I think it's down to you just tweaking the timing, and it might be a matter of walking away from this for a few days and getting back to it. So I'm going to turn off the sound and play it. So read it out loud. Does it go by too slow or too fast? Urban art. I would make that happen faster. Follow the Roma. Long, but I would hold that a little longer. Sorry, I keep snapping. The stairs is perfect. Into the night sky. I would almost make this the end because it's so beautiful and you did such a visually striking job with it. You could put Welcome to Melbourne, the place to be under there. You could have Into the Night Sky change to Welcome to Melbourne and then the words underneath that. And that way you're not jumping into a different look and feel, and then you're leaving the viewer with this beautiful type illustration. Just a thought. It will help make the size smaller, but also you could end it with the twinkling stars too. You could make those go on and off and turn like you have. Anyway, those were my thoughts. Again though, come with us on a journey through a world I would hold a little longer. When you have time, see if you can do something a little more interesting with noodles. I bet you could animate those individually. You can make the chopsticks move. Just keep working on it. I think it's really great. All right, so let me know if you have any questions.